Why does your scanner show the P0509 engine code? What does it mean? P0509 is a diagnostic trouble code for idle air control system circuit high. This error code indicates it means the vehicle's computer has detected that the electrical voltage coming from the idle air control circuit is higher than normal, preventing the engine from maintaining a proper and stable idle speed. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty idle air control valve, carbon buildup, wiring or connector issues, vacuum leaks, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Hyundai, GMC, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.